In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a 21 moving average in MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up this Navigator tab over here on the left. So go to View and click on Navigator or press Ctrl and N on your keyboard. Then from here, extend the Indicators menu by double-clicking or clicking on this arrow next to them, and then click on Trend to actually extend the Trend folder. In here, if you scroll down, you'll see there's the moving average. You want to double-click on it, and it's going to allow you to set different parameters. Now, over here where you have the period, you simply want to switch this from whatever it is right now to 21. And then over here, you can leave the shift at 0, and where you can see the method, you can, of course, select either exponential, which is going to make it a exponential moving average, so EMA, or it could be a simple, which is a SMA. So completely up to you. I'm going to do a simple right now, and you can apply to close over here. And then, of course, you can set different styles if you want to, and click on OK. And that way, we've added a 21 moving average in MT5. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.